So, if you want to make your URL cleaner, more SEO friendly, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to easily change the URL slug on your Wix website and really optimize your site for search engines. So, what you're gonna have to do here is to click on Pages menu, and then here we have Side menu, and then here we have, let's say I would like to change for About, and then here we have three dots. Click on the three dots here, and so I'll click on the three dots here, and then here we have settings, and then here in settings we have SEO basics, and then here we have URL slug. Okay, and we can change this to cars to tutorials. Okay, also have title tag, and then parent page site hierarchy. Here it's going to show how it's going to look like. So yeah, I hope you found this short video helpful. Also, you can change this page name on your menu. From here you can make this page home page. Now for the home page you don't have this option, only because as you can see it has a different icon. But when you can change here, you can add a new page, and when you add a new page, it's going to have that icon that I'm talking about. So it's going to give you this icon, as you can see, and for this kind of icon, which is a page, you will be able to go to SEO basics, and then here you'll be able to change it very fast. Now if you click on the three dots here, you'll be able to delete this page or add this as a sub menu for a new page, or hide from menu. You have a lot of nice options. You also have the shortcut to make to set this as a home page. All right, so I hope you found this short video helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.